there's a certain warmth and honesty to wood. It's a material that speaks to something deep within us. So it's no surprise that wooden basins are making a resurgence in homes today. They bring a touch of nature indoors, adding elegance and functionality to bathrooms and kitchens. Imagine the feeling of washing your hands in a basin crafted from rich walnut or sturdy oak. The organic texture and unique grain patterns of wood transform a simple basin into a work of art. Each piece is one of a kind, carrying the story of the tree it came from. But beyond aesthetics, wooden basins offer practicality. Wood is naturally insulating, keeping water warmer for longer. This makes them perfect for leisurely soaks and hand washes, and with proper care and maintenance, a well-crafted wooden basin can last for generations. Choosing the right wood is paramount when crafting a wooden basin. Not all woods are created equal, especially when it comes to water exposure. The ideal wood for a basin should be durable, moisture-resistant, and aesthetically pleasing. Hardwoods are the way to go here, folks. Think oak, walnut, cherry, or teak. These woods have tight grains and natural oils that make them resistant to warping and decay. Oak, with its prominent grain, exudes rustic charm. Walnut, on the other hand, offers a rich, luxurious feel. Softer woods like pine or cedar, while beautiful, are more susceptible to water damage. They're best admired in other woodworking projects. Remember, we're building something that can withstand splashes and spills. Choose your wood wisely. With your chosen hardwood in hand, it's time to transform that rough lumber into the foundation of your basin. This process begins with selecting the best pieces of wood, ensuring they are free from major defects and have a pleasing grain pattern. This is where woodworking truly becomes an act of creation. Careful planning and precise measurements are crucial at this stage to ensure the final product meets your expectations. You'll need a few essential tools. A planer, which will help you achieve a smooth and even surface on your lumber, a jointer to create straight edges, a table saw for precise cuts, and a miter saw for accurate cross cuts. Begin by milling your lumber to the desired thickness. This step is essential for ensuring all pieces are uniform and will fit together seamlessly. A thickness of 2 inches provides a sturdy base for your basin. This thickness is ideal for both durability and aesthetic appeal. Next, use the jointer to create a straight edge on one side of each board. This step is crucial for ensuring the boards align perfectly when joined. This ensures the boards sit flush against each other when glued together, preventing gaps and ensuring a strong bond. Now, rip the boards to width on the table saw, ensuring they are slightly wider than the final basin dimensions. This extra width allows for fine-tuning during the final shaping process. This allows for material removal during the shaping process, giving you the flexibility to achieve the perfect dimensions and finish. Finally, use the miter saw to cut the boards to the desired length, creating the rectangular blank for your basin. This blank will serve as the starting point for your detailed craftsmanship. Section 4. Carving out your masterpiece. This is where the magic truly happens. The moment you start carving, you begin to transform a simple piece of wood into a functional and beautiful work of art. With your basin blank prepped, it's time to carve out the bowl shape that will hold water and define your creation. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the entire piece. There are a few approaches to achieve this, each with its own charm and challenges. Selecting the right tools can make a significant difference in your carving experience. Hand carving offers the most traditional and intimate experience. It allows you to connect deeply with the material, feeling every cut and curve. Using chisels, gouges, and mallets, you'll slowly shape the wood, feeling the grain and responding to its nuances. This method requires patience and skill but is incredibly rewarding. It's a meditative process that connects you to the craft in a profound way. Each stroke of the chisel brings you closer to your vision. For those who prefer power tools, a router with a cove bit can quickly hollow out the basin's interior. This method is efficient and precise. This method provides more control over depth and uniformity, but lacks the organic feel of hand carving. It's a trade-off between speed and the tactile experience. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Whether you opt for the traditional hand tools or the modern power tools, each has its own unique benefits. Embrace the method that speaks to your woodworking soul. Let your intuition guide you as you carve out your masterpiece, making it truly your own. Section 5. Ensuring functionality, the drain hole. A wooden basin, while beautiful, needs to be functional. This means incorporating a drain hole to allow water to flow freely. Don't worry, this step is simpler than it seems. First, mark the center of your basin's base. This is where the drain hole will be drilled. Using a Forstner bit attached to a drill press, carefully drill a hole with a diameter that matches your chosen drain fitting. A 1.5-inch drain hole is standard for most bathroom sinks. Ensure the hole is drilled straight and perpendicular to the basin's base to prevent any leakage issues. Once drilled, sand the edges of the hole smooth to remove any rough edges. Now, your basin is well on its way to becoming a functional water feature in your home. Section 6. Waterproofing, shielding your creation. Wood and water, while often found together in nature, need a bit of help to coexist peacefully in your home. That's where waterproofing comes in. This crucial step protects your wooden basin from warping, cracking, and the damaging effects of prolonged moisture exposure. There are several effective waterproofing methods for wooden basins. One popular option is epoxy resin. This two-part mixture creates a durable, waterproof seal when applied to the basin's interior. Multiple coats are recommended, sanding between each layer to ensure a smooth, glass-like finish. Another option is a combination of mineral oil and beeswax. This natural and food-safe method provides a water-resistant finish while enhancing the wood's natural beauty. Apply multiple coats, allowing the mixture to penetrate the wood and create a protective barrier. Section 7. The finishing touches, polishing and protecting. With your basin waterproofed, it's time for the finishing touches that will elevate it from functional to truly stunning. This is the stage where your craftsmanship truly shines, transforming a simple piece of wood into a work of art. This is where you get to put your personal stamp on your creation. Every stroke, every detail reflects your unique style and dedication. Sanding is key to achieving a smooth, luxurious feel. It's a meticulous process that requires patience and precision. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper, which helps to remove any rough spots and shape the wood. Gradually move to finer grits until the wood feels silky smooth to the touch. This step-by-step approach ensures a flawless finish. This process removes any imperfections and prepares the surface for finishing. It's the foundation for a beautiful, durable finish. Once sanded, you can apply a finish of your choice. The finish not only protects the wood but also enhances its natural beauty. A clear varnish provides a durable, water-resistant coating while showcasing the wood's natural beauty. It's perfect for a glossy, polished look. For a more natural look, consider a tung oil or linseed oil finish. These oils penetrate the wood, enhancing the grain and providing a subtle sheen. The oil finish brings out the rich textures and colors of the wood, giving it a warm, inviting appearance. With your chosen finish applied, your wooden basin is complete, a testament to your craftsmanship and attention to detail. It's not just a functional item but a piece of art that reflects your hard work and creativity. And now it stands as a stunning addition to your home, ready to be admired and used for years to come.